रसार परमां आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्. See, we have seen glai dhatu, glai harshakshaye. Similarly, there is a mlai harshakshaye, mlayati ityadi. You can work out on your own. Then mna abhyase, mna dhatu, paghradhma sthamna. You can do it on your own. Mna abhyase, makara nakara akara. Then ध्ययी चिंतायाम आदेच उपदेशे शिति वान्यस्य संयोगादेः इत्यादि. They all will work. You know the sutras. You can work out on your own. Then gai shabde gayati. धमा शब्दाग्नि संयोगयोः, धमा शब्दाग्नि संयोगयोः, धमति. Again, paghradhma, that sutra is very important in all these. Memorized? Huh? Okay. Sthagati nivrittau. Yeah, sthagati nivrittau. So, tishtha adesha, that is to be remembered, tishtha adesha. Then gatistha ghupabhubhyaha sichaf parasmai padeshu, sich look happens. Even that should be remembered. Then airlingi in ashirling, sthayat, stheyat. Stheyat is the form, airlingi. Then dane. This is not da dane, that is different. Not dudanya dane, that is different. This is a dan. Yacha adesha happens, yachati. Sthamna dan. So, yachati. So, all these you can work out. We have seen the sutras. So, and you can keep that Brihad Dhatu Kusumanjari or whatever and see the forms to verify whether the forms you have arrived at, whether it is correct or not. Then Hri Kautilye, Hri Dhatu, Hakara, Vakara and Rikara. Hri Kautilye, Kutila, Kutilata, Kautilya. To behave in a crooked way. Crooked behavior, kutila acharana. That is the meaning of Hri Dhatu. This is not a very used dhatu. Rarely you will find one or two forms. So, see the swara, hakara, vakara and repa. Rikara. Kautilye. Yeah, anudatta. Dhatu is anudatta. It doesn't have it. Asya dhatoho anubandhaha nasti. So, yeah, lat. Fr plus lat. Fr plus tip. Then shap. Fr plus shap plus tip. Then sarvadhatuka guna rikara becomes ar. How? What is the guna in the place of r? Huh? What is guna in the place of r? Ar is not guna. A is guna. Then uran raparaha. So sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho and uran raparaha. Iti hwar a plus ti hwarati. Hwarati. Hwarati, hwarataha, hwaranti, hwarasi, hwarataha, hwaratha, hwarami, hwaravaha, hwaramaha. Yeah. For lit, we should see a sutra. Ritascha sanyogader gunaha. Ritaha cha sanyogadehe gunaha. Ritaha is पंचमी और षष्ठी. षष्ठी एकवचनम. च is अव्यया. संयोगादेहे is also षष्ठी ekavachanam. Gunaha is prathama ekavachanam. So angasya liti. I think that is enough. So ritaha qualifies angasya. Therefore tadanta vidhi. Rit is taparakaranam. Ridanta. Ridantasya angasya means rikarantasya angasya. Angasya has another adjective also, sanyogadehe. So ridantasya sanyogadehe angasya. षष्ठी एकवचनम. षष्ठी एकवचनम. षष्ठी एकवचनम. So antyasya स्थाने गुणः आदेशः लिटि परे. Yeah. See the book Yeah. Hru Kautilye. Yeah. Kautilyam Vakravyavaharaha. Kautilya means Vakravyavahara. Crooked behavior, crooked transaction is called Hur, is Hru dhatu. So, Hvarati is Lat Lakara. Then Ritascha Sanyogader Gunaha. Ridantasya Sanyogadehe Angasya Gunaha Liti. Yeah. Ridantasya Angasya. A Rikaranta Anga, which is Sanyogadi, which begins in a Sanyoga. Then it gets Guna Adesha, Antyasya Gunaha Adesha. Means Antyasya Rikarasya Sthane Gunaha Adesho Bhavati. Liti Pare, when lit follows. Hru plus lit litaha tip, in the place of tip null. So hru plus null. Null is a. So a. But we should remember it is a nit. So now see, this is lit. Lidadesha is following, lit is following, and there is a Rikaranta Anga, and it is Sanyogadi. What is Sanyoga? Hakara plus Vakara, these two are there. So Halonantara Sanyogaha. So this is Sanyogadi, and it is Rikaranta. Therefore, Ritascha Sanyogader Gunaha is Prapta. Then we have another sutra also. What? Liti dhator anabhyasasya. Liti dhator anabhyasasya. Dvitva is supposed to happen. Doubling is supposed to happen. Now, which one will come first? Huh? Why?
Because there's one more sutra that says doubling should happen first.
Yeah, Dirvachanechi. So, see, there is an Ajadi Pratyaya. And the Ajadi Pratyaya is causing doubling. So, Dvitva Nimitte Achipare, then Achaha Adeshaha Nasyat. Achaha Sthane Adeshaha Nasyat. This Ritascha Sanyogader Gunaha is causing an Ajadesha, because R is an Ach. So, Achaha Adeshaha Nasyat. When Dvitve Kartavye Sati, when Dvitva is yet to be done. So, that is Dirvachanechi. So, doubling will happen first. So, we should remember Dirvachanechi and Liti dhator anabhyasasya iti Hru ityasya angasya dvitvam angasya dvestaha ekachaha dve prathamasya. So, Hru plus a. Now, abhyasa karyani, what all will happen here? Yeah, Haraswaha, Haladisheshaha. Then there is Uhu At, Urat, right? Urat. In the place of U, A should be added. In Abhyasa. Abhyasasya, not U, R. Abhyasasya Varnasya sthane Akaraha Adesho Bhavati. We have done that sutra, I suppose. So, Hwa and Urat also is followed by Uran Raparaha. Uran Raparaha. So, Hwar, Hur, A. This is how it will be. Now, Haladisheshaha. Haladisheshaha. Vakara will go away and Repa also will go away. Haladisheshaha. Only Ha will remain. Ha, Hakara and Akara. And Hur, A. Hakara, Hur, A. Now, what will happen to Hakara? Kuhoshchuhu. Kuhoshchuhu. What will be the chu in the place of Hakara? Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Among the four, which one? Jha. Jha, Mahaprana. So, jha, hur, a. Okay. Now, one more sutra. Abhyase charcha. Jha becomes ja. Abhyase charcha. Ja, hur, a. Now, ritascha sanyogader gunaha will work now. So, abhyasa karya is over and dvitva has been done already. Now, yeah, this ritascha sanyogader gunaha can work. Ritascha sanyogader gunaha works now. So, hr gets guna adesha, it will become hwar. Ja, hwar. Because gunaha plus there is uran raparaha also. Guna is a, uran raparaha. Jahwar plus a. Now, this is a nit. This is a nit. Null is a nit. Therefore, achonyunity, can achonyunity work? Vriddhi by achonyunity? No, it won't work because at the end it is not igantanga. Therefore, achonyunity will not work. So, because at the end it is not ach, it is not ajanta anga. Then there is another sutra, ata upadhayaha. Upadha is akara. Akara is upadha. Therefore, ata upadhayaha vriddhi can happen. Ata upadhayaha. A becomes A, Vriddhi. Jahwara. Jahwara. Vivachana. Atus. Yeah. All the steps are similar, but for Vriddhi. So, Jahwar plus Atus. It will become Jahwaratuhu. Similarly, Jahwaruhu. Jahwaruhu. Bahuvachana. Simple. Jahwara, Jahwaratuhu, Jahwaruhu. Then Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Hur plus Thal. What will happen? It will come or not. Ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe. It is supposed to come. Then what does he say? It is anudatta. Ekacha upadeshe anudattat. Know it. Then there is another sutra. Krisr bhrvr studrusrushruvo liti. Kradi niyama. What will happen? Yeah, it is not included among kr, etc. Therefore, it will have it. It will have it. This krisr bhrvr, that niyama allows this also. Others are only kr, etc. are excluded, filtered out. This is allowed. So this will have it according to krisr bhrvr. Then another sutra. No. Achasta swathalyanito nityam. Taswat thali anitaha. So, tasi nityam anit. Being anudatta. This is tasi nityam anit. Therefore, thali api nityam anit syat. This is according to Panini. So, according to Panini, this should be anit in tas. Right? Then what about Bharadwaja? Rito Bharadwajasya. It is Rikaranta. Therefore, according to Bharadwaja also, it is anit in Thal. Ridanta is anit. Yeah. So, both according to Panini and according to Bharadwaja, it is anit. Therefore, only one form, unlike in the other previous ones. So, anit, no, it will come. In Thal, in the rest, it will have it. In Vas and Mas, Va and Ma, it will have it because Kradiniyama. It is not included under Kr, etc. Therefore, it will take it. So, Hr plus Tha. Now, we have two sutras. Ritascha sanyogader gunaha as well as litidhator anabhyasasya. Which one will work first? Why? No. What is the number? Ritascha sanyogader gunaha is 7, 4, 10. And liti dhator anabhyasasya is 618. So this is para. Vipratishedhe param karyam. So para has to be done first. No, yeah. Para has to be. Huh?
First is always doubling.
Yeah. Later will be done first. Yeah.
Doubling first.
No.
Has to happen.
No. Dvirvachanechi. See, doubling has to be done first is according to Dvirvachanechi. But see, Dvitvanimittaha Ajadeshaha न भवति द्वित्वनिमित्ते अचि परे. So here there is no dvitva. The dvitva nimitta here no is not ach here. Dvitva nimitte achi pare achaha adeshaha na bhavati. But here it is not ach. It is hal. Therefore dirvachanechi will not work here. In all the rest of the forms, it was ach. Ach was dvitva nimitta. But here it is not ach. Therefore, ritascha sanyogader gunaha will work first. So, hur, tha. So, this first hur will become ja. Sorry, no. Ritascha sanyogader gunaha is working first. So hur becomes hwar. Hwar plus tha. Now dvitva. Liti dhator anabhyasasya. Hwar. Yeah, hwar. This is hwar. So hwar will hwar tha. Now here only ja will remain because repha will go, vakara will go, ha will remain, ha will become ja, and then it will become ja. Ja hwar tha. Same. Jahvartha. Jahvartha. Jahvarathuhu, Jahvara, simple. Then Uttama Purusha, almost same as Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. But since there is a Nitva Vikalpa, Naluttamo Va, therefore, optionally the Vriddhi will be optional. Up to Guna it is same. Ratascha Sanyogader Gunaha. Up to that it will be same. Then Vriddhi by Ata Upadhayaha will be optional. Therefore Jahvara and Jahvara, two forms. Jahvara or Jahvara. Then Dvivachana, hur plus va. Then idagama, by kradiniyama it will get it. So hur plus iva. Hur plus iva. Then it is ajadi. Therefore dvitvanimitte achi is there. Therefore, first dvitva will happen, hru plus iva. Then jah, hru plus iva. Then guna, ratascha sanyogader gunaha, jahvariva and jahvarima. Upadhaya vriddhihi. Upadhaya vriddhihi. He is just specifying a step in Jahvara. सो अत उपधायाः इति वृद्धिः भवति इत्यर्थः। जह्वार जह्वरतुः जह्वरुः जह्वर्थ जह्वरथुः जह्वर जह्वार जह्वर जह्वरिव जह्वरिम। Yeah. So lit is over. Now lut lakara. तास शतासी लुलुटोः ह्र plus तास will come. Then lut of prathamasya darau rasaha, then tilopa, all those things will happen. So then it, so since it is anudatta, there is no it. So hr plus tas, there is no it. Then tas is ardha dhatuka. Tas being ardha dhatuka, what will happen? Guna. Hr will get guna. Sarvadhatuka-ardhadhatukayoho iti gunaha. Then urandraparaha. Hr becomes har, far. Far plus tas plus da. Then ditva samarthyad abhasyapi ter lopaha iti tas ityasya ter lopo bhavati. Then takara plus a. Da is only a. So I don't know whether you relate to what I say. You have to go to Bhudhat. Yeah. So yeah, hvar plus ta, hvarta. हर्ता हर्तारौ हर्तारः हर्तासि हर्तास्थः हर्तास्थ हर्तास्मि हर्तास्वः हर्तास्मः. Not harta, hvarta. Yeah. Harta is different. It is a hranya harane dhatu. Harta. Then lrit lakara sya. Yeah, we need to see another sutra. Riddhanoho sye. Hanoho sye. पंचमी द्विवचन से सप्तमी एकवचन. नंबर 8. Yeah, that is enough. Just it is enough. Yeah. Angasya. Angasya will become angat. Rit means rikara. Rit hanoho after these two anga. Parasya. Sya also will become, sye also will become syasya. Syasya avayavaha it syat. Yeah. Sya of sya which comes after rikaranta anga. So rit should be understood as ridanta. Ridantadangat. and han dhatu, hanah angat, parasya, syasya, it syat. पंचमी द्विवचन ऋत हन्भ्याम ऋत हन्भ्याम अंगाभ्याम नोस्ये ऋतः हन्तेश्च स्यस्य इट् ऋतः मीन्स ऋदन्ताद् अंगात् हन्तेश्च मीन्स हनः अंगात् आफ्टर द anga han dhatu हन्तेः is ष्टिप् निर्देश हन प्लस ष्टिप् becomes हन्ति तस्य हन्तेः ष्टिप् निर्देश षष्ठी विभक्ति स्य इत्यस्य प्रत्ययस्य अवयवः इट् स्यात् इट् आगमः स्यात् सो that is why it hanishyati, not hansyati. See, hur plus vrit, then tip, hur plus tip, ti, then syatasil rilatoho iti sya, hur plus sya plus ti, syati. Then what will happen? Ardhadhatuka shed valadehe, it is prapta. Then this is anudatta. Ekacha upadeshe anudattat does not allow it. Then this sutra comes and says, no, here it should be there. So, riddhanoho sye. Riddha plus hanoho becomes riddhanoho. What is the sandhi? Jhayo honyatarasyam. So, hur plus isya plus ti, then ardhadhatuka guna, sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho iti ardhadhatuka gunaha, then urandra paraha, therefore it will be hva, hvar, isya, ti, then hvari, hvarisyati, then adesha pratyayoho, adesha pratyayoho iti shatva murdhanyadesha, hvarishyati, hvarishyati, hvarishyataha, hvarishyanti, hvarishyasi, hvarishyathaha, hvarishyastha, hvarishyami, hvarishyavaha, hvarishyamaha. Lrit lakara. Lot lakara is simple. Hvaratu, hvaratam, hvarantu, etc. Then lang lakara is also simple. Ahvarat, ahvaratam, ahvaran ityadi. Vidhiling is also simple. Hvaret ityadi. Hvaret, hvaretam, hvareyuhu, etc. Shirling, we need to see another sutra. Gunorti Sanyogadyoho.
गुणोक्ति संयोगाद्योः
गुणः अर्ति संयोगाद्योः. Number?
29.
Yeah. Angasya, then Ritaha, Shayaglinkshu. From there, Sha is not coming. Yaklingshu. Yaglingshu part is coming. Lingshu will become Lingoho because Sha Yag Lingshu will be Bahuvachanam, only two are there. Yak Lingoho, then Yi, Yi. Akrit Sarvadhatukayoho, from there Krit part is not needed. So it is Krit cha Sarvadhatukam cha Krit Sarvadhatuke न कृत सार्वधातुके अकृत सार्वधातुके तयोः अकृत सार्वधातुकयोः. That is the vigraha. So the a part also has to come, sarvadhatuka part also has to come. So yeah, asarvadhatuke, yeah, asarvadhatuke. Yeah, that much is enough, I think. एकवचनम् अर्तिसंयोगाद्योः षष्ठी द्विवचनम्. So ritaha is also षष्ठी एकवचनम्. अंगस्य यज्ञलिंगोः is सप्तमी द्विवचनम्. सप्तमी एकवचनम्. असार्वधातुके सप्तमी एकवचनम्. So first of all we have to see what all qualify angasya. So many things qualify angasya. In fact there are two. One is arti. Arti is r dhatu plus stip becomes arti. Stip is a ti, so it is a shit. So sarvadhatuka. Then sarvadhatuka guna r becomes ar. So arti. Arti is r dhatu. R dhatuhu ityarthaha. So artehe angasya. Let us write it as artehe angasya. This is one. Then there is one more. Sanyogadehe. Sanyogadehe ritaha. Ritaha qualifies sanyogadehe. Ritaha means ridantasya. Ridantasya sanyogadehe angasya. Cha antyasya स्थाने गुणः आदेशः. When yak is there, so yak is a pratyaya. Yaki pare, Young ling, yak lingoho. I will split it as yaki lingi. So yaki pare. This is one. Then ye asarvadhatuke lingi. Ye means yakaradau. Yadau, yakaradau. Tadadi vidhi. When what follows in Saptami, if a letter qualifies, then tadadi vidhi. So yakaradau asarvadhatuke is there. So asarvadhatuke implies ardhadhatuke. If it is not sarvadhatuka, in this context, what is implied is ardhadhatuka. So if a ling pratyaya, a ling adesha, if it is not sarvadhatuka, it has to be ardhadhatuka. Yakarado ardhadhatuke lingi pare. Yeah. So, yeah, that is the, yeah. See, artehe angasya. The anga which is ridhatu. Ridhatoho angasya. And ridantasya, rikarantasya, sanyogadehe angasya. An anga which is sanyogadi. The dhatu is sanyogadi. And it is rikaranta, like hra, sma, etc. Antyasya sthane gunaha adeshaha syat. It will get guna adesha when under two cases. Yaki pare, when yak follows, yak pratyaya follows, as well as when yakaradi ardhadhatuka ling follows. Under these two circumstances, ridhatu and rikaranta sanyogadi dhatu gets guna adesha. Artehe sanyogadehe ridantasya cha. Artehe and sanyogadehe ridantasya. Two things, not three. Sanyogadehe and ridantasya, they are qualifying the same. Artehe is separate. Ridhatu. So artehe cha sanyogadehe ridantasya cha. Angasya gunaha syat. Artehe sanyogadehe ridantasya cha gunaha syat. Yaki yadau ardhadhatuke lingi cha. Artehe gunaha syat and sanyogadehe ridantasya gunaha syat. When yaki pare, when yak follows, yak pratyaya follows, or when yadau ardhadhatuke lingi pare, yakaradi ardhadhatuka ling follows. So, now let us see ashi plus takara. In ling only takara will remain because itascha, e will get dropped. Then yasut agama and it is kit, kidashishi. Yasut parasmai padeshu dato निच्च किदाशिषि यासुट्. So hur plus yas plus t. So now it has become yakaradi lit, and this is ardha dhatuka. Why ardha dhatuka? Huh? Lingashishi. By the sutra Lingashishi, this is ardha dhatuka. So by the sutra Kidashishi, this is Kit. Yeah. So Kit, Ling, and it is ardha dhatuka. Therefore, Ritascha Gunorti Sanyogadyoho. Gunorti Sanyogadyoho iti Gunaha. So Hvar Urandraparaha, Hvar Yast, Hvaryast. Now, Skos Sanyogadyorante cha iti sakarasya lopaha. So Hvaryat. Hvaryat. Hvaryastam. Hvaryasuhu. Yeah. Hvaryaha, hvaryastam, hvaryasta, hvaryasam, hvaryasva, hvaryasma. So we don't need any separate sutra for lung. So it is, see, hur plus tip. Tip only takara. Itascha. So hur plus takara. Then sit, chili lungi and chlehe sit. So hur plus sakara plus takara. Sit plus tip. Then what will work? Hur plus sit. Between them, what will work? Sichi vridhif parasmai padeshu. Because it is iganta anga. Iganta anga. R is ik. Therefore, sichi vridhif parasmai padeshu. Iti hvar. Sorry, hvar. Not far, hvar. Because the vridhi for r is a. Lung. Hur plus t. Then chli lungi and chlehe sit. Hur plus s plus t. Then sichi vridhif parasmai padeshu. So rikarasya vridhihi. What? A. So hva and urandraparaha. Hvar. Sakara, takara. And of course, before this, see, tisicho prakte. Okay, yeah, eat. Eat agama happens. So I'll write it before this. Asti sicho prakte iti eat. So eat. It will not come here because it is anudatta. So then sichi vridhif parasmai padeshu hvar sa eat. Then lung lang lung shvadudattaha at agama. It will become Ahvar Si. I'll write like this one. Ahvar Seet. Okay. Now Repha is followed by Sakara. Yeah. Repha also is included under in. Right? In and Kavarga. So Repha is also included under in. Therefore, Adesha Pratyayoho iti Sakarasya Murdhanyadeshaha. Adesha Pratyayoho. Ahvarshit. Ahvarshit. Ahvarshtam. Yeah. There, see. Ahvarshtam. Yeah, there, see what will happen. Tam. So, see, Sakara becomes a Sha. Adesha Pratyayoho. Then Shtunashtuhu. Ta becomes a Ta. So, Ahvarshtam. Ahvarshuhu. Ahvarshihi. Ahvarshtam. Ahvarshta. Ahvarsham. Ahvarshma. Ahvarshma. Then Lring Lakara, Sya will come. When Sya comes, it will have it. Riddhanoho Sye iti it agamaha. Therefore, Ahvarishyat, Ahvarishyatam, Ahvarishyan ityadi. Simple. Dhatu. Sma chintayam. Sma chintayam dhatu also will be same. So you can work out Sma dhatu. Smarati. Same sutras will be applied for Sma also. Yeah. Sasmara. Of course, there it will become Jahwara. Here Sa will not change. So Sasmara, Sasmaratuhu, Sasmaruhu, Sasmartha, Sasmarathuhu, Sasmara, Sasmara, Sasmariva, Sasmarima ityadi. Then Lung also Smarta, Smartaro, Smartaraha. Lring Smarishyati, Smarishyati, Riddhanoho Sye, Smarishyati. This is Rakaranta. Yeah. Then Lot Smaret, Smaratu. Yeah. Vidhiling Lang Asmarat. Vidhiling Smaret. Then Smaryat. Smaryat Ashirling. Then Lung. Yeah. Asmarshit. Same. Sichi Vridhi Parasmai Padeshu. Asmarshit. Asmarshtam. Asmarshuhu ityadi. Then Asmarishyat. So, done. Nrittavasane Natarajarajo Nanadadhakkam Navapanchavaram Uddhartu Kamassanakadi Siddhan Etadvimarshe Shiva Sutrajalam.